I'm through toying with them. I shall demonstrate the might.
And Pharaoh said that I should obey his voice.
Yeah, it's the goddamn army. The fuck you thought? Self-titled, planetary, demise, reap the lost motherfucking cause. The Esoterodactyl. You a fool for this beat, SO. But right about now, Chief Kamach, split they motherfucking head.
Yo, the Pharaoh's back. In less than an hour's nap, woke up in a cave on the top of Mount Arafat. Blood on the taro plaque, apparel black. Street mystic, get you twisted with your barrel pack. 119, they blamed it on some Arab cat. I meditated and left 2 towers flat with that old Section 8 Egyptian power rap. Little spunk, sparkling on, little spiritual. But don't let me start with the punk pimp. Faggot preacher, pluck a heart for the punk. I got a passion for putting bloody parts in the trunk. It's the Messiah, never been no musical comp.
The Coliseum females screaming demise. They can see the pour from Europe to Lehigh. When they see I'm coming, they running, I keep 9 shots for their stomach and face, E5. Never will I run from a case like a cheap guy. If I can't afford the lawyer, I burn them like deep fried. Undeveloped faggot, I'm classic like Levi's. Rap marathon, I pass them like 3 times. Take my rap skill multiplied by 3 times. All it take from reverse to defeat them is 3 lines. Beat my battle ability, weak guy. If I can't walk over you, nigga, I leap high. Shoot looking down when I pass you, scream wide. You bit my whole style with no teeth, I reply. You walking on glass barefoot and my sneaks tied. Talking out your ass when you shouldn't, you speak lies.
If you are caught by the gorillas, you must remember one thing.
What's that?
Never to speak.